The biggest challenge for our industry today is the step change from what is traditionally heavy engineering processes and manufacturing into the use of innovation and technological systems. What was once big lifting and big industry is now big data. My name is Jerry Weston. I'm the Managing Director of DT Engineering. DT Engineering is a crane manufacturing and service company based in the northwest up in Cheshire. We specialise in safety solutions and we have a mechanical and electrical engineering faculty also. We work across a broad spectrum of industries and a wide variety of specialist business as well, be it manufacturers or construction companies. We knew there was a specific need within our industry to build a smart access system, but we knew absolutely we needed some help to build it. We had a fantastic idea, but we didn't know how to get to the end game. And this is where the MTC came in.
DT Engineering came to us with a very brilliant idea on how to solve a problem that's been with us for a very long time. No? How do you avoid accidents? One of our principles at the MTC is to inspire and deliver value to society. Certainly this case tick all the boxes for us.
Smart access control system is very much a current theme in terms of digital engineering, to try and really work with the world of IoT or the Internet of Things. In terms of the framework required, it was a case of speaking to the client, trying to capture in the discovery phase what their requirements was.
What they did for us is they delivered a roadmap, a manufacturing and technology readiness level, structure and a bit of discipline. They facilitated this middle ground and helped us get over the challenges and the insecurities that lay between what is a concept and an idea to a finalised product.
We help them analysing the area, we help them identifying the potential technology that can provide a solution, and we help them throughout the project to develop the solution and to prove the capability of the solution in front of industry.
There's been a lot of investment gone into the product. The MTC have helped us with this by opening doors and signposting us to different mechanisms which can assist SMEs in funding this type of work, which we weren't privy to before we walked through the doors of Coventry. We've been invited into a community of like-minded engineers who really believe in and are really passionate about what the MTC do. It's as cutting edge and as exciting as it gets. With the Smart Access came an opportunity to automate and record and log and provide gatekeeping for operators on the ground and management.
A real-time monitoring of how the operator is manipulating and is interfacing with equipment stops someone from accessing an equipment and manipulating equipment which is unprepared and trained for, but also allows the company to understand what's going on and whether the operators are conducting the operations accordingly.
DT Engineering have a really robust system to take into the market now.
It's dragging the attention from many players.
It's fantastic that DT are able to provide that technology, enabled RDL Modular Homes to move forward. Everything we've needed, they've done. Anything we've put towards them, specification-wise, they've come up with a solution and implemented it.
The system's allowed us to break into new markets. We're looking at year one growth 30%, year two growth at least 60%.
It's exciting times, it's exciting to be part of it. With all the smart access technology, I've seen a big improvement in how fast they're growing.
This is just the start of our journey, embedding innovation into industry and into society.
We're looking at industrial machinery, we're looking at bolt-on systems which create a digital interlock, technologies such as big data, IoT, cloud-based computing, robotics and automation.
It's a great opportunity to incorporate this solution into our own premises. It's a great solution.
We're seeing the next 12 to 18 month period as being that of huge potential, huge growth for the business on the back of a clever collaboration with the MTC.